Hi guys, this is Kunj Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe now to learn new design in AutoCAD. I will teach you how to do the 2D drawing of this part in AutoCAD. So first of all, let's start with this AutoCAD. Grade mode off, orthogon on, ISO draft on, UCS icon fixed. First of all, I will choose line command. Its dimension is 18 mm. I will zoom it. Again line command choose. Its dimension is 65 mm. Downward direction 18 mm. Left hand side 20 mm. Again right hand side 20 mm. Again line command choose is 65 mm. Again 65 mm. Then connect it. Again downward direction is 18 mm. Then connect it. Again line command choose is downward direction is 13 mm. Again line command choose is dimension is 15 mm. This line is move it center to center here. This line is delete. Line command choose this line and this line is connected. Again this line and this line is connected. Again line command choose center to center connected. Again ellipse command choose axis and I enter. Position change. Diameter 22. This circle is copied to upper side is 35 mm. Upper direction is 35 mm. Now again line command choose quadrant to quadrant connected. Quadrant to quadrant connected. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. This line is delete. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. Now again ellipse command choose axis enter. I enter. Position change. Diameter 42 mm. Now this circle is copied to upper direction is 5 mm. So copy command choose upper direction 5 mm. Now quadrant to quadrant connected. Line command choose. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command choose. Unwanted line is trim it. Circle is delete. Now again ellipse command choose axis and I enter. Position change. Diameter 12 mm. This circle is copied to downward direction is 5 mm. Downward direction is 5 mm. Now again quadrant to quadrant connected. Line command choose. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command choose. This circle is deleted. This circle is deleted. This circle is deleted. Now our drawing is completed. Now I will give the dimension. So align dimension 65 mm. Again 65 mm. Then 20 mm. Again 20 mm. Again 50 mm. Then 30 mm. Again 80 mm. Now our drawing is completed with given dimension. I will choose pan command to center the drawing. So our drawing is completed with given dimension. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.